Welcome to the First Western Trust iWealth Business Banking Login Tutorial, where you will learn how to access and log in to the platform. To begin, navigate to our website, www.myfw.com. Click the Login button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. A screen will load with links to secured platforms. Under the iWealth Services options, click iWealth Business Banking. You will now see a message notifying you that you're leaving the First Western Trust page and being directed to a secure site. Click Proceed to continue. Now, you will be directed to the iWealth Business Banking Secured Login page to sign in. Enter your company ID and user ID. These credentials are provided by First Western Trust to your company administrator. Once you have entered your credentials, click Continue. You will now be prompted to complete a one-time security code entry. You will be presented with all cell phone numbers associated with the user ID you entered. You will have the choice to receive a phone call or a text message to complete the security code entry. If the phone number you would like to use to verify your user ID is not listed, you will need to contact your company administrator or relationship banker to add the phone number to your profile. Select the option for verification, phone call, or text, and then click Continue. If you are completing the verification by text message, you will be prompted to submit a one-time security code on the page. The code will be sent to your verified phone number as a text message. Once the verification process has been completed, you will see the sign-in to iWealth Business Banking's temporary password page. On a first-time login, you will need to input the temporary password provided by the bank or your company administrator. After entering your temporary password, click Sign In. After signing in, you will need to create a new password. Follow the password requirements to create a new password, which will be used every time you log on to the business online banking platform in the future. Click Submit. If you do not have external money movement capabilities, you will now be able to access your business banking dashboard. If you have external money movement capabilities, such as ACH or wire, secure tokens are required at sign-on and when transmitting payments in the system. In this case, installing the RSA Secure ID software token application on a mobile device is required. To install Secure ID, proceed to the application store on your mobile device and search for the Secure ID application. Once installed, open the application and accept the license agreement. This agreement is not affiliated or connected with First Western Trust. Once the agreement is accepted, click Get Started, and if prompted, allow the application access to the device camera. Now, you are ready to proceed with the next step in your account setup on the computer. Select the appropriate device and click Continue. You will see a QR code on the screen. Capture that QR code by pointing your mobile device camera at the code. When successful, you will have added a token to your Secure ID application. On your computer, click Continue. You will now see a PIN creation screen. Your PIN must be 8 digits long and cannot be the RSA token number displayed on your mobile device. Once you have entered a PIN, click Continue. This will bring you to the final login screen where you must enter your passcode. The passcode is your PIN and the token code displayed on the Secure ID application. The two numbers will be combined and entered in a continuous sequence without any spaces or symbols. Once you have entered your passcode, click Continue. You can now access your business banking dashboard and any settings created by the company administrator. Congratulations! You have completed the online business banking password and secure token setup. The iWealth business banking platform offers a full suite of features, including reporting services, transaction initiation, ACH, wires, loan payments and advances, and bill payments. Be sure to check out the mobile application to access your business banking on the go by searching for the MyFW Business Mobile application in your mobile device's application store. Once you have downloaded the mobile application, open it and enter your username and password. Then click Continue to access the business banking mobile platform. If you experience any difficulty logging into the platform on your computer or mobile device, please contact your local banking team for further assistance. Thank you for being a First Western client.